how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're anything like me, you hate these stock pegs and they're not very grippy and your feet tend to slip. You don't have a good grip on here and your riding boots or shoes. So I was looking at options. I didn't want to replace the whole thing because I kind of like the setup and the reach for my legs. The position, everything's correct. I just was looking for something to change just the peg itself, something with a little more grip. So I found these pegs. They're made by DucaBike. I got them off motomillion. A lot of websites sell them, and they're about 80 something bucks. On motomillion, if you use the discount code 650E, you get, I think it was like 5% off or something. It saved you a couple bucks, but as you can see, they're a lot more knurled grip on the ends and should provide a better grip for the shoe, especially up here and back here. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change these. So the first thing you gotta take off to remove the peg, you have this lock ring right here. Basically keeps the pen from falling out. After you remove that, you can move it with a pair of pliers. Then you gotta just knock out the pin. So once you get the safety pin out, you're just gonna take your punch and knock the pin out. You do have a bunch of anodized on here, so if you wanna keep your hands clean. So here's a comparison between the stock one and the DucaBike. It's a little thicker. Definitely got better knurling on here. So when you go to install, make sure you put it in the right orientation so when you're pushing down, you know, it's not collapsing. So when you go and install it, make sure you're pushing in on the spring to line it up, and then tap it in. Tap it in with the hammer like so. And put your safety clip back in. That's it. It's an easy job. So there you have it. Took all of like 2 minutes to get it on there. So I'll just reiterate. Remove this safety ring. Knock the pin out. Remove the stock one. Put the new one in. You gotta push in while you're pushing the pin in to compress the spring down, and that's it. Easy job. You get a little bit better looks too and better grip. So the only complaint I have with this, on this side, you can see the movement isn't quite smooth as on this side. It's kind of like the machining wasn't done as good. You can see where it's rubbing in there. I don't know if you can see or not, but I mean, it'll wear eventually, but for DucaBike, usually they got pretty good quality. Unfortunately, this one isn't that good. But easy install, better than stock. And thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.